In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on AI mode on Google Chrome. This feature utilizes artificial intelligence to enhance your browsing experience, making searching for information much more streamlined and intuitive. Let's dive right in, so you can start exploring these functionalities and get the most out of your search results. First, begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once it's up and running, think of something you'd like to search for. Just about anything will do. Type your chosen search term into the Google search bar and hit enter. This is the starting point where you'll be able to see AI mode in action. Now, as the search results start to load, you may notice something a little different. At first glance, it might just look like your typical Google search results page, but keep an eye out for the AI overview. This feature might appear at the top of the results list, presenting you with a teaser of AI-powered insights right at your fingertips. This AI overview is designed to give you a quick synopsis or background related to your search query, allowing you to grasp essential information more efficiently. Next, we are going to activate the AI mode for a more immersive experience. Take a closer look at the top of the page, near where you see options like All, Images, News, and so on, your standard navigation links for Google searches. Here, you should notice a new addition: the option to click on AI mode. When you spot it, simply click on it. By doing so, you're essentially unlocking a tool that leverages advanced AI capabilities to refine and enhance the information presented to you, tailoring the browsing experience more to your specific needs and preferences. Switching to AI mode doesn't just improve how search results are presented, it can also change how you interact with the content. This feature streamlines how information is delivered and processed, offering quick links, summaries, and potentially even suggestions based on your search patterns. It's all about making your browsing experience smarter and more efficient. While AI mode is designed to enhance your overall browsing experience, it can also serve as an educational tool, helping users unfamiliar with AI technology learn through everyday interaction. It's intuitive, adaptive, and in many cases, a much faster way to find the information you need. As we wrap up today's guide, remember that enabling AI mode in Google Chrome is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance how you interact with search results. With these insights, you're all set to explore a smarter web browsing journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy all the benefits AI mode has to offer. Feel free to explore further and see for yourself the efficiency and depth AI can bring to your daily browsing life.